What's up, y'all? It's Glenny So Pretty, and I'm back with another video. So, weird things happen to me all the time. Like, I don't know what it is. So, like, either it happens to me or I'm always around when it happens. So, I'm actually on my way into Wawa because I gotta get some money out because I'm going to the mall and get a cinnamon bun because I've been craving a cinnamon bun for the past week. But anyways, so my ass went to the dollar store and I asked the lady, like, where are the carts at? Like, and then some lady behind me asked the same thing. She was like, where the carts at? So the cashier had a nerve to say out her mouth, oh, we only got two carts in the whole store because they be stealing them. What are you doing with a cart? I don't understand. Like when you take the cart home, like, where are you putting it? Are you putting it in your backyard? Like, are you using it the next time you go to the dollar store? Like, I don't understand. Like, who takes a whole entire cart home? Like, why are y'all even stealing carts? Like, how y'all benefit from the carts besides it's a ride home for your groceries? Like, that's crazy. That's so crazy. But I'm about to go in this Wawa real quick. I just had to tell you that. Wawa is these are the best things on earth. Some cheese curls. So Wawa was packed today, okay? I came early. I need to start coming early all the time. I'm thinking about getting some of them. Nah, I'm gonna go to the mall and get a cinnamon bun. Y'all don't got Wawa? I don't know what to tell y'all. Wawa was like the best investment that Pennsylvania ever made. Like, they got gas stations, they got food markets, but this Wawa by my house, oh, they packed today. Like, that's the practice. I don't even know if that's a word, but I've never seen it that packed. I mean, how about I say it that way? Say it the proper. Back to my little dollar store story. Like, how in a freak? Whoa. I'm getting just so used to it. Like, they're not even gonna call and order anymore. I feel like dollar stores make a lot of money, like, because everything is $1. Like, and I just don't understand why their registers are still slow. I don't understand why people are always still in their carts. I don't understand why the employees there are underpaid. Like, that is just so weird to me. Like, I just never understood that. I never understood it. And like, the fact that this light is broke and the cop just rolled by and didn't even notice to stop or probably call it in because Wilmington cops are ignorant, for one. And it's raining today. Like, I just want to watch Netflix all day and eat my cinnamon bun. And I want some cheese curls, and I just left Wawa and forgot to get cheese curls. Ladies, y'all know how it is when y'all get those cravings. So, but I've been craving this for a good 2 weeks, a cinnamon bun. A big one, and I want it to be warmed up, and I don't know if I'm gonna wait until I get home to eat it. I might eat it when I'm in the car because that's just how I feel. Okay, I'm gonna just turn this way. I'm acting like I'm going home when I'm supposed to be going somewhere. I'm at the mall and it's raining, and I'm just going in here for a cinnamon bun because that's all I came for. But it's raining.
Let me see it, but you let me see it.
She didn't give me a fork, but was so hyped to give me this. Like, this, I don't know if it's eggs. She just smashed it in the bag. Like, look at my cinnamon bun. Oh my god. Holy smokes. And I asked for the biggest one. Yep. Look at this shenanigans here. My mom always told me drive in the middle because you don't know how deep it is. And this little car is skirt. But listen, I'm about to drive through this mother. Yes, I am. Oh, they trying to turn around. Give me the cheese curd.